Clerk, please publish the verdict.
Yes, Your Honor. In the Circuit Court of the 11th Judicial Circuit in Miami-Dade County, Florida, State of Florida versus George Pino. Case number F24-22896. Judge Marisa Fernandez. Verdict. We, the jury, find unanimously as follows. As to count one of the information, manslaughter of Lucy Fernandez, the defendant is not guilty. So say we all on this 22nd day of June 2026, signed by the foreperson CF. In the Circuit Court of the 11th Judicial Circuit in Miami-Dade County, Florida, State of Florida versus George Pino. Case number F24-22896. Judge Marisa Fernandez. Verdict. We, the jury, find as follows. As to count two of the information, vessel homicide of Lucy Fernandez, the defendant is not guilty. So say we all on this 22nd day of June 2026, signed by the foreperson CF.
Does counsel for either the state or the defense wish for the jury to be polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam Clerk, please poll the jury with initials.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen of this jury, you heard me read the verdict. As I call your name, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Mr. A.L., initials A.L. Yes or no?
Yes.
Initials C.F. Yes. C.S.
Yes.
L.M.
Yes.
J.M.
Yes.
and C.A.
Yes.
C.A.
No, I'm a yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges that are enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations, you are also at liberty to refuse to speak to anyone. A request may come from those who are simply curious or from those who might seek to find fault with you. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. I want to thank you all again for the sacrifices that you have made over the last 3 weeks, for your time and consideration in this case. What I have for each one of you is really just a token of our appreciation, which is a certificate of appreciation, and a small symbol of the great appreciation all of us have for you and for your participation in our system of justice. What I'm going to ask you to do is, as I discharge you, you will go with Renee, and Renee will take you out, and he will provide you with your juror certificate. All right? I'm going to ask everyone, please, in the courtroom to please remain in the courtroom for a few moments and allow the juries to exit. Thank you.
All right.
remain in the courtroom to be seated, thank you. For purposes of the record, there are no errors or omissions in the verdict form. The filling out of the verdict form is legally sufficient. Mr. Pino, the jury is found not guilty as to both counts of the information in this case. Are there any other matters involving Mr. Pino?
Not for the state.
For this court to address?
Not for the state.
Anything else? All right, there are no holds in Mr. Pino, is that correct?
Correct.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, if we would give the jury a few moments, please, to exit exiting the courtroom and the courthouse. And I want to thank everyone again for your respect for this court. We'll take a moment now, and I have no further matters for me to address, and at this time, we are in recess. Thank you.